Hello everyone and welcome back. This video is going to be a bit different. We're going to run with a few quick quiz questions to test your knowledge of the mBot2's ultrasonic sensor. If you're using the mBot2 for obstacle avoidance or distance sensing, this is one sensor that you definitely want to understand. The ultrasonic sensor helps the mBot2 detect how far away an object is. It sends out sound waves, waits for the echo to come back, and uses the time that it took for the echo to come back to estimate distance. That makes it super useful for projects like obstacle avoidance, wall detection, and basic robot decision making. Alright, first question. What does the ultrasonic sensor mainly detect and measure? Is it color, distance, or temperature? Go ahead and lock in your answer to check. The correct answer is distance. This sensor is all about measuring how far away an object is. One of the most common uses for this sensor is obstacle avoidance. The robot checks the distance in front of it, and if something gets too close, it can stop, turn, or back away. Next question. What kind of wave does the ultrasonic sensor use? Does it use light waves, sound waves, or radio waves? The correct answer here is sound waves. That's why it's called ultrasonic. It uses sound at a frequency that's higher than the human hearing spectrum, so we typically cannot hear the sound that the ultrasonic sensor emits. Also, like any sensor, the ultrasonic sensor does not always behave perfectly. Soft surfaces, angled objects, or tricky materials can affect the reading, so even though it's a great sensor, it's still important to test it in conditions that you want the mBot2 robot to work in. Third question, which project is the ultrasonic sensor best suited for? Obstacle avoidance, line following, or color sorting? Go ahead and lock in your answer to check. The best answer here is obstacle avoidance. Line following usually relies more on the quad RGB sensor, and color sorting would need a color-based sensing setup like a smart camera. So to recap, the ultrasonic sensor helps the mBot2 measure distance using sound waves, and that makes it especially useful for obstacle avoidance projects. So how many questions did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more quick robotics quizzes like this on the mBot2, I can do one on the quad RGB sensor next. Thanks for watching today's quick quiz video. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one.